Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious creme brulee latte. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including an espresso machine and a milk frother. Begin by brewing a double shot of rich espresso directly into your chosen mug. This forms the essential base for our delightful drink, setting the stage for the sweet layers to come. Next, let's create the star of our latte, the creme brulee syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to achieve that rich, creamy texture. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add 2 tablespoons of your freshly made creme brulee syrup directly into the mug with your espresso. Give it a quick stir to combine the flavors. Then, steam about 6 ounces of your preferred milk until it's wonderfully hot and has a smooth, velvety foam. Carefully pour the steamed milk into your mug, blending the layers. For the grand finale, sprinkle a thin, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of your latte. Carefully use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crunchy crust. This creates the signature creme brulee topping. Serve your exquisite homemade creme brulee latte immediately and enjoy every luxurious sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.